Now the circle shown is divided into two sectors, the blue one and the pink one. We're going to find the areas of the sectors formed by the central angle UTB. So to find the area of the pink one, so the pink sector, you know that the formula is sector area is equal to central angle, which is x over 360 times pi r squared. So to find the area, see down here. So to find, where's my cursor? Right here. So to find the area, it's x, which is 70 degrees over 360 times pi, your radius is 8. So 8 squared. So let's do this in our calculator. Okay, let me get mine. So I am now multiplying 70, which is the central angle, times pi, which is 3.14, times 8 squared is 64, and then I divide the total by 360. So this one is approximately 39.1 if I round off to the nearest tenth. Now to find the blue sector, we need to find the corresponding major arc. So we can do that by subtracting 70 from 360. So that means the blue sector is equivalent to a major arc or angle of 290 degrees. So using the formula again, sector area is equal to 290 over 360 times pi. The radius is again 8, so pi 8 squared. So now let's do that in a calculator. We have 290 times 3.14, then multiply it again by 64, all over 360. So you get a sector area of approximately 161.9. And the unit used for both is inches squared. So that's another example on how to use the formula for the sector. Now, how do we use the formula for the sector area to solve some real-life scenarios? Now, let's read this example. A rectangular wall has an entrance cut into it. So the wall they're talking about is the blue one, the blue wall. And this shape is cut. You want to paint the wall, and to the nearest foot, what is the area of the region you need to paint? So pretty much we need to find the area of the blue region. Well, first, let's make a plan. We can find the area of the blue region, right? Or this whole rectangle. Okay, so let's write down the area of the rectangle. So the length is 36, while the width is 26. If you have to add these two parts together. There we go. So the area of the rectangle will be 936. So this is 936 feet squared. But an entrance is cut into it. So what's the shape of the entrance? The shape of the entrance is a square and a semicircle. So how do I know that this is a square? Because this one is 16 and this one is also 16. So you have to subtract that one. So let's write square is 16 by 16. So that's equivalent to 256. 256 feet squared. Okay, so we've done the rectangle. we've done the square, right? Now we have to find this sector, which is formed by this semicircle and the diameter over here. So we're going to find the formula for the sector. So since our sector is a semicircle, its central angle is 180 times 360 multiplied by the area pi. The radius is half of 16, so 8 squared. So this is pretty much 64 times pi. And if you reduce this one, that's 1/2. So this will become pi, oh, this is 1/2, I forgot. 1/2 and then pi, and then this is 64. So this is equivalent to 32 pi, which in decimal is equal to 100.48. Okay, so we have the areas of the rectangle, square, and semicircle. So to find the area of the blue shaded region, right down here. So the shaded region is equal to 936. Oops. So 936, take away 256, take away 100.48. So the total would be 579.52 feet squared, or less than to be 579.5.